Hello. All right. It is Tuesday, and hopefully, yesterday you got the district resume taken care of. Like I said, that is a new graduation thing, new for this year's seniors, which means that they're going to require it for you next year. So, hopefully, you got that all taken care of. If not, make sure that you do. When you finish it, if you want to shoot me a reminder, an email, and let me know that you're all done with it. That way I can jump into it and take a look at it and make sure you did it right. Okay, so today we are going to be taking a look at a timed right, and this is a practice timed right. And as I mentioned yesterday, it is a practice timed right. Scores will not affect your grade for the class. I want you to give it a try. You will be doing one graded timed right before the end of the semester if you are not taking the AP exam. If you are taking the AP exam, I'm going to be having you do two timed rights, and you can choose the highest score. For those of you who are not taking the AP exam, if you want to do two timed rights, like the next two timed rights, and choose your highest score for that one too, you can do that as well. And that's the last thing we have to do for the class. But today is a practice one. So I'm reminding you, this is the rhetorical analysis passage that you're going to be doing, The Great Influenza. So remember to read through it. You have on the rhetorical analysis rubric, you have 3 scores. One score is for your introduction, and I'm looking for an introduction that goes from general to specific. So begin with like a general idea as far as the topic is concerned. Make sure you include a clear transition and then a soapstone statement so you have a good quality introduction. Then you're going to be taking a look at the next part is analysis, and that's, remember, 4 points. 1 point for your introduction, 4 points for your analysis, and then 1 point for sophistication. 6-point rubric is what I'm going to be grading it on. Right down here, that is your assessment. So make sure that you're kind of prepped and ready to go for this one. Normally you would have to start reading it, and then the next one you're going to be reading it from scratch right away with the 45 minutes. But you'll notice when you go down into this, I'm going to show you what you will see. You will see start new attempt. You may only make one attempt. So as soon as you hit that start new attempt button on the assessment, it gives you the passage one more time up there for you so you don't have to go back and forth. And you'll notice that down here in the corner, it says time left for this question. We're already counting down from 45 minutes. So here's where you're going to be typing your response to that. And if you want to type on a Google Doc and then copy and paste it in, you can. But I want you to give yourself the 45 minutes, just the 45 minutes, so that you can do that. Again, here is the rubric. So introduction, you get 1 point or 0 points for, and that's, I think it's thesis, which is called when you're taking the actual rhetorical analysis test. And then this is analysis. You get 4 points max for analysis. And then you get a 1 point for finally your sophistication score. And that's what you got. Okay. So that's how you're going to be taking care of that. And that's all that you have to do for today. Tomorrow, we will be having Schoology digital meetings again. So remember, for those digital meetings, down here, left-hand side of the screen, you're going to be going to conferences. And when you do that, you will see, you won't see it right now, but I will be creating new conferences for Wednesday. And we'll talk a little bit about the timed right and finish up the class together. And then I guess that's everything. So I will see you on Wednesday at our conference. You will have a very small assignment to do on Wednesday, but mostly it's just make sure you're there to attend the conference. Okay, I hope everybody's doing great, and I will see you virtually tomorrow, regular time, class time, as we've said. And you can go to either, if you're in second period, you could go to your class, or you could go to fifth period's class, or you can do, I'm going to do the 3 o'clock time again as well, so that you can kind of log into that. And we'll basically talk about the timed rights and answer any questions that you have about that. All right, take care.